right, 2/3 plus 4/5. What do? We want to do our crisscross applesauce, which is just a shortcut. Remember, it's not a trick. It's just a shortcut. You're still finding the common denominator, and you're still kind of changing it with the common denominator, but you're just not writing out every single step. We do crisscross applesauce. So this is all multiplication. So we've got 5 times 2, which is 10. 3 times 4, which is 12. The operator stays the same, so it's plus. And then down here is 3 times 5, so that is 15. So then we just add 10 plus 12 over 15. We have 22 over 15. So then 22 over 15, if we simplify that, how many times can 15 go into 22? 1. And then 22 minus 15, so we do like a remainder thing. So then it's 1 and 7 over 15. And 7 and 15 don't have any common factors. So that is our final answer. Ta-da!